Welcome to the product demonstration of secure wireless monitoring and control system for smart grid and smart home using IoT. So in this part we are using rectifier and power cable and also using relay, AC, load and DC BO motor, transistor board, Wi-Fi module, PIC microcontroller and DC fan with the transistor board. So we are providing the power supply through this power cable. It takes 230 volts of power supply. That 230 volts of power supply will be given to this rectifier. At the same time we are connecting parallel to this bulb. So this relay will be connected between the AC 230 volts AC power supply and AC load. So whenever this bulb gets switched on, relay gets switched on, then automatically 230 volts AC power supply will be utilized by this AC bulb. So here we can see black wire is a neutral and the red wire is a phase. So phase is connected to the relay. Through relay this AC bulb will be connected. Whenever a phase wire got switched on through this relay, then automatically bulb will get switched on. So the connection, the signal of this relay will be come from the PIC microcontroller. So we can see here we are using a one BO motor and one DC fan to on the motor. So here we can see the BO motor and the DC motor will be get switched on from this PIC microcontroller. So here we can see. So this okay. So this DC fan is connected with the pin number C5, and this is connected to the C7, and this one is connected to the so here we can see it is connected to the C5 and it is connected to the C6, and this relay is connected with the C7 pin, and we can see here this Wi-Fi module is connected with the pin number B0 and B1. So now we are giving the power supply through this power cable. So it takes 230 volts of power supply that will be given to this rectifier, and rectifier converts AC to DC. So it will give up to 5 volts of DC. That 5 volts of DC will be given to this PIC microcontroller. The PIC microcontroller give the signals. At the same time it will provide the power supply using this rectified power. So it will equally divide 5 volts to the all components like transistor board, 2 transistor boards, 2 loads. At the same time it will provide the 5 volts power supply to the Wi-Fi module and relay. So first of all we need to go to our hotspot settings. So it is IoT device. IoT is nothing but a internet of thing. So these devices will be controlled by the internet. In order to provide the internet, so we have to on our hotspot. So hotspot network name should be provide 6321 without any capital letter, without any gap, and also password should be 129. And AP band, here we can see we have to provide the AP band 2.4 GHz. Then only this Wi-Fi module will be connected to our phone. So here we can see one device is connected to my phone. So we need to identify the IP address of that device. So here we can see this is the name ESP17E0A9. So we need to identify the IP address of this device. For that one we need to go for the network analyzer. So we can see the network analyzer. So it will scan the devices. So we need to go for the home interface like this. We need to go for the 3 lines and have to choose LAN scan. LAN scan is nothing but a local area network scan. We need to scan this one. So before the scan you have to off the Wi-Fi network. So now here we can see Express-C5. We can see this is the IP address of the ESP module. So we need to copy this one, and we need to go for the IoT app called Juice SSH app. We need to go for this one, and have to go for the manage connections. After that here we can see the add symbol. We can add, and we can see the type you have to choose as a telnet, and copied address have to paste here, and the port should be 8080. now. So So it is created. Now we can go this one. So here we can see welcome to the project is showing here. Now if I press capital A, then this bulb will be get switched on. So I am sending the letter, capital letter, that will be wirelessly, this Wi-Fi will be sent to this ESP module, then ESP will receive the capital A and that will be sent it to the microcontroller, then microcontroller will be sent it to the relay. So this Wi-Fi module is connected with the PIC microcontroller using a UART communication. So UART is nothing but a universal asynchronous receiver and transmitter. This TX-RX pins will be connected to the PIC microcontroller TX-RX. In that way, these two devices will be communicate each other. Now here we can see device 1 is on. If I send a device 1 is on. So if I send capital A, then it will be get switched off. So now for the device 2, we need to press capital B and enter. So we can see device B is in on position. So if I want to off this device B, we can send small letter. So we can see, and also we can monitor the values from here. So off. Now I am sending the capital C for device 3. This fan will be get switched on. So we can see, and if I want to and also we can see device 3 is on position. If I want to off this one, just enter small c and you can see this fan will be get switched off. So we can on this 3 loads using capital letters A and enter B, C, and we can off this one C, B, A. So we can see here. In this way, this product will be works. Thanks for the watching.